Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here and I'm back with another tutorial and another challenge, 10 minutes challenge art journaling. You really truly enjoyed those 3 pages. You really took on the challenge, limited yourself with time and supplies. So without much of a thinking, let's do one more go. Let's try it again. And today I'm gonna use my, if you're not aware yet, brand new paper set, ARTechnique paper set from Maremi. I'm really happy, really proud about it. I'm gonna quickly show it to you if you haven't seen it yet. We have some paper elements to fussy cut. Then we have gorgeous background papers, and those are collage papers, very lightweight papers, and then we have thicker papers for card makers. So plenty to choose from. There's 36 pages, believe it or not, which is a lot in a set, but I really wanted to make sure that it's gonna be for card makers, for journalers, for mixed media artists, for really everyone. A set that will really, it's not gonna limit you, quite opposite. I started this set already, so I'm gonna put this away because I have fussy cutted already the elements, which are here hidden in this envelope. I'm gonna show you the whole collection. The whole set is fussy cut. Look at that. It is literally everything. So I think I'm gonna use some of that, I hope. There we go. And so yeah, let's not thinking anymore and let's start. Let's pick some background and start. I have my page ready here. So yeah, 10 minutes, go, let's go. So we have, as I said to you, we have some gorgeous background papers, and some of them are delicate paper, like a collage paper, nearly decoupage but not really. And we have the same in a thicker version. So I'm gonna take the, actually, do you know what, this one is already off the page, why not to use that. And we also have a back paper, which is about me, but written the way that I really wish this to be used. Basically, you can cut it out and just really use it. So maybe today we're gonna do that. Let's, Marta, not chat because we have 9 minutes left. How about, oh yeah, how about that, guys? I like that. Okay, maybe here I can cut it shorter. Let's see. Something like that. It's there. Nice. Okay. Something like this. Let's see. Truly, the whole page itself is like a work of art. Oh, I love that, like a work of art already. What I'm gonna use, I will just use simple Pritt stick, nothing complicated here, just a glue, school glue, Pritt stick, school office glue, and that's it. I think the backgrounds, what I love about them the most is that they really are right away interesting, and you don't always have to add a lot, quite opposite. You can just work your magic around what's in there already, because there's some kind of thought already included. There we go. I love that, absolutely love that. I was always thinking about vertical like this, horizontal, sorry, not vertical, but I like the vertical version too, I have to say. Wow. Okay, now as I said, why don't we try and cut it? There is a magic that happened. Look, it's dark to dark. Let's see if I can cut that. So when I was thinking about creating that, I was writing about my thoughts, you know, and then it came to me like, wow, this could be actually reused, because many of you is thinking the same way as I do. Why not? So, oh, look at that. But it's too long, which is okay, that's fine. I'm not looking at the clock, 7.5 minutes, no way. But we can cut it like here. Yeah, but look, and we have to cut that as well in half, but that's okay. I hope it's passable because it's hard to hold it now. Oh well, I could think about that before. Hey, we did it. So there is a magic that happens with our souls. Marta, make it fast. Marta, make it fast. Yay. Okay, with our souls every time we create, isn't it? So true. I love that. Oh, straight away it's so pretty. Do you know what? We don't even need much happening here. But let's see what's gonna happen here. What do we have here? Oh, lovely. That's green. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. We have flowers like that. Those are elements from the pages. Oh, the smaller version as well of that. Do you know what? It's already super pretty. How about if I grab some of that, oops, of that thread. Oh, this thread is not working. Hello. Do I have any other thread? Marta, do I have any? Oh, I do. Wait, behind the camera. The brighter one. I should get that ready before the clock. Can I pause the clock? Can I pause the clock? Now, after some of you after the challenge or last challenge, some of you mentioned that you feel stressful when I create in the pressure time. But you know what? Don't treat this so serious, guys. This is more to really enjoy the fun and to challenge yourself. I know that it could be stressful, but on the other hand, think about the fact that you can just really try it. You don't know where this is gonna lead you. I like that, but I'm not too sure if this will match any of that. Do you know what? I do miss mediums, so what I'm thinking is to grab some white gesso anyway. Grab some, let's say, this spatula, and just treat that with some of the, you see, and it's even like now matching because it's so mixed media, the background itself, that it's perfect, it's fine, it's, you know, I think it's very forgiving, and it's just matching the way it is, I think. So I'm just trying to be kind of courageous here and just add this and be a little bit crazy, maybe, in a way. I love that background. I don't want to destroy too much of that. There we go, but a little bit left and a little bit, you know. Oh, and the technical kind of geometrical shape looks nice here. I have my hot glue already on, so that should be hot by now. It is. So I'm gonna grab some hot glue here and there. Okay, maybe like that. So this will also hold a little bit of my thread. Perfect. Some glue went to my, that's okay, went to my, oh, I think I hear Hannah, she's awake, but Daddy is there, so no stress. Okay, I like that. So a little bit more. So don't be stressed while watching this video. it's only fun. I can cut it shorter here on the side, but I don't mind. I like that it is extra. There's a magic that happens. I don't mind that there's this extra within our, so extra paper there. It's cool. I like that. I like that. So I'm trying to, you know, to be honest, I kind of doing it this for as much as for myself, but also for you, because I know that you prefer to have more videos. So sometimes it's impossible for me to create for an hour, record for an hour, due to time to Hannah and all. So that's why the idea of 10-minute challenge as well came, that I can actually record something and upload more often, you know, simply as that. Oh, I don't like it like that. That's okay. I can maybe fix this one. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, okay, I leave that. I like that. I'm thinking what else, because we technically, in theory, we finished. What about if I add, oh, I love this one very much. I love them flowers. Those are hand painted by me, all of it. Oh, I like that. Or, if not this, let's see, quickly. What else we have? We have a little bit of those green leaves. Those are cute as well, you know. Oh, and we have like, there's tons to choose from. I love that. I fussy cut everything beforehand. I just sat down some evenings and I just did it, and I think it's just nice to have it done basically that way. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna call this finished nearly. Maybe some white splashes, and that will be seriously it. I'm looking for smaller. Oh yeah, there we go. For smaller. For some smaller. Yeah, maybe I can hear Hannah running upstairs. She's so funny. She was so good today. So good. We found one of the things that she is interested in is the kinetic sand. Kinetic sand, which is like plastic. It's like a real sand, but it's in reality it is really not. It's like a joining kinetic sand. You have to Google for yourself. It's like everything is joined, so it's really nice. It's doing the magic. It's working, you know. Oh, what about this lovely flower there? So we have a tiny amount of mixed media. Oh, there is a big cry. There is a big cry. So I think I'm gonna have to run for the rescue. I think splashes. How I'm gonna do quickly splashes. Let me grab some white acrylics. White acrylic. Let's see if I can grab some. If it's not too late, I have some acrylic there, liquid acrylic from 13 Arts. Let me see. Okay, and I need a brush or something like that. 14 seconds, no way. Oh no. Oh, it worked now. So we have it. 3 seconds. There we go. And it's done. Wow, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, really. 10 minutes. Okay, voila. Oh, sorry. So different to the previous, but I really hope you like that. Wow, it's so pretty. And do you know that this is the second time I have been working with my papers? And I'll show you the page I only accomplished recently. Well, yes, 2 days ago, I think. Let me show you. And that's with the papers as well, with my stencil, with my stickers. I say my, but really, yeah, well, yeah. And the decoupage paper, rice paper we have here. And yeah, I love this page, and I will be making tutorial on it, I think, because you have been asking me for this quite some time on my Facebook page, Maremismallart, and also Maremi's Creative Cafe, the Facebook group. So I really think I will recreate that for you for sure. So yeah, that's my second attempt playing completely different. You can see how versatile the papers are, and because we have a version for collage and for cardmakers, I think it makes it unique, the fact that you have, don't mind my page is ripped apart, so I have sellotape. It's amazing. That's why I kind of created a set that will be versatile for every crafter if it's possible. So anyway, I'm gonna finish at that. I'm glad I managed to create that before Hannah comes downstairs. I really hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and yes, let me know what you think. As always, I'm looking forward to your suggestions, your ideas, your words, your chats under the video in the comment section below. I really truly love that. So let's see how different 10 minutes challenge can be. So those are our pages, and this one is the third one, so very different. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you are enjoying your weekend. It's Saturday today afternoon, so weekend for us. No, actually, sorry, it's Friday. I'm sorry, it's Friday. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, hi, girls.
Hello.
Hello, look what I've done. Hi.
Oh, wow.
Do you recognize?
Your pieces.
Yes,
And
my papers.
your background.
Yeah, my background.
And your stickers.
You like it? It's not my sticker, actually. Look, it's the back of the paper. It's from the back of the paper, the writing. Yes. Clever, isn't it? Hi.
Hannah, wave.
Hannah, say hi. Hi.
Say
Oh, she's waving.
Hannah, say hi.
No, forget it, guys. I'm not saying anything. Okay,
hi.
I'm gonna wrap up at that. I love you loads, guys. I hope you can jump into the store and check out the new products. I hope you will find something for yourself, maybe. Till the next time, happy crafting. Love you loads. Bye. Bye.